Dude, stop scrolling, man. They sent me to a marketplace bakery. Channel drain, French drain clogged. They thought it was frozen outside because literally, I think like 4 feet is exposed of the outside, which is crazy. But they were dumping this 160-degree hot water down it, trying to clear it. And a company came and tried jetting it and still couldn't clear it. So they called us, and company sent me. So check this out, dude, and check my music out too. This is mine. I wrote it and made it. Peace.
We work this rat race till we quit. Die with debt, that's the script. Made to live in a free world. Tell me who we kidding. Sell our time back to us. Call it life, call it love, but the dream got a barcode, and my soul ain't for sale, no. By something bigger. Same 5 hands in the pot, same rich get richer. They buy the land, buy the food, buy the news, buy the stores, buy the songs, buy the souls, buy the courts, buy the doors. Then they tell you be grateful while they poison your plate. Sell you help in a bottle at a premium rate. They turn childhood into content, turn love into a trend, turn a friend into a brand, turn the means into the end. And everybody out for self, cause the fear runs deep. When survival is the culture, trust is hard to keep. So we hustle, we hard, and we laugh at the pain. But inside, we're just tired of the same old game. If I stop, do I disappear? If I rest, do I lose my place? How we free when the price is fair and peace costs more than we make? I don't want gold, I want time. I don't want fame, I want greed. But they built this world like a pipeline, from cradle straight to death. We work this rat race till we quit. Die with debt, that's the script. Pay to live in a free world. Tell me who we kill, they sell our time back to us. Call it life, call it love, but the dream got a barcode, and my soul ain't for sale, no. Free world with a monthly fee. Big smile while they billing me.
Hoped you liked that one. Hey, I worked real hard on this one. Peep it out.
Staring to the city, see million people on repeat. Wait, worry, see, where's the meaning in the beat? You know, borrow soap while I contemplate the matrix. Yeah. Red bill, blue bill, either way, we ain't scared, kid. Freedom is illusion, broken by design. Give you enough to keep you working overtime. Buy me a Escort on credit, I'll be there before it's paid. Work for the end for a gold bar and a hundred pay. They want to use my heart soul for minimum wage. Wonder why we're out depressing this American cage. Cost me the dollar, I made a dime. That's why I break down, don't come bring me town. Get tired 65, my body ain't done. Living on pills and the bread, yeah, that sounds like fun. Buy me a hair scorn on quit. The garnish my ghost if I don't pay the debt. Buy me a hair scorn on quit. The American dream is the American debt. I die like I live, hold all the money to the system. Work myself to the bone and nobody missed them. Alive enough to work, not alive enough to question why I hurt. Keep me medicated, keep me dizzy, keep me blind. Keep me one check away from losing boss and a job that'll forgive me. Work 50 hours for a check is gone in 3 days. Treating my existence for a wage that don't free slaves. Modern day plantation, but the trains are invisible. South houses and 401ks keep us getting to the pain, to the truth that we're all just renting time, paying them risk on our lives, one breath at a time. Keep me meditated, keep me busy, keep me blind, keep me one check away from losing my mind. But what if I just stop? What if I just let it all drop? What if I just let it all? I know I'm all depressed in this American cage. They built this prison, enslaved them, have money and fame. Can we break from this invisible cage? What it do? Let it all drown. Buy me a headstone on credit. I'll be there before it's paid. Work for years for a gold box and a one more grave. They won't use my gold soul for minimum wage. Wonder why we're on the prison, this American cage. What if I just let it all? What am I on the rest in this American cage? They build this prison, enslaved them there with money and fame. Can we break from this invisible cage? What if just let it all down? What if I just stop? What if I